there, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Haley. Thank you for joining me today. And today we are going to be unpacking my Septemberipsy bag. As always, I start off these videos with nothing on my face and nothing in my hair so I can test these products out here with you. So the bag itself is really cute. It's actually two-toned. I don't know what is the front and what is the back, but one is a burgundy kind of winey color and the other is yellow, and the material feels like a corduroy. Of course it's not actual corduroy, but it looks like corduroy. Do you want to know what they did? Do you want to know what they did? They put the product information. It's been like 3 or 4 months since they have put product information in here, and I'm really excited because over the past few months, like, I didn't think that I needed the product information, to be honest with you. Like, I never used to use it. Then the past few months I've been wanting to know some things and I couldn't find it because there was no information. So now there is. Maybe it's back, I guess. I don't know. But my bag itself this month is really good, you guys. I got a good one. So let's go ahead and get into the products. I actually decided to scoot in super close because the first product is a brow product. And this is from Item Beauty. This is the Item Beauty Brow Chow in the shade medium brown. Now, I looked at the shade. I tested the shade out. The shade is going to be too light for my eyebrows. I mean, it's not that bad, but you can definitely tell a difference. But for video purposes, I am going to go ahead and put it on. So it is one of those triangular shaped brow pencils. So I'm going to go ahead and try to fill in at least the sparse parts of my brows so you can see how this works. And like I said, it is too light for my brows. I don't know if you can tell. It's also coming off way more red toned than it does in the pen itself. So that's something to keep in mind as well. So while I do this, this is actually my second time trying this. I did try this earlier, and I do have to say that I really like this brow pencil. Like, really like it. Besides the fact that it's not the right shade, like, if it were, it would be amazing. It goes on so smoothly. Like, granted, I don't try a lot of brow products because I'm actually very, I was gonna say gifted. That's not the right word, but I have pretty nice brows, naturally. And I have to do a lot of taking away of hair rather than adding. So, I really don't use a lot of brow products, but out of the ones that I have tried, this is by far my favorite. The other ones that I've tried, they just go on and they feel like so sticky, and I feel like I have to press, especially brow pencils, like I have to press down so hard in order to get any color or pigment to come off. And this, I'm like barely touching my skin and it's giving me color. The full size of this is $18 and I would absolutely buy that. So this is future Haley popping into the brow section of this video because I just found out that it has a little brush at the end too. It looks like a little toothbrush. It's not a spoolie. And I've been sitting here like combing up my brows, and honestly this works better than a spoolie. So the fact that I loved this before I found this brush says something, but now that it has this little brush, like, oh, I love it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next product now that I have odd brows on. The next product is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. What? I get to try this? Like, I've never tried this before and I've always wanted to. I'm super excited. This is in the shade. This was not even my product of choice either. This is just something that they gave me. Oh, I forgot to mention, by the way, that this is a full-size product. But now moving back to this. So this is a CC cream, so it is supposed to color correct and give you full coverage. It has an anti-aging serum, and it has SPF 50+. I don't know what the plus means, but it has SPF 50+. So I am going to go ahead and put this all over my face. I put a dollop on my hand, and I'm just going to use it like foundation because that's what you're supposed to do, right? Whoa! It's got an odd smell. I don't like that. Is this how you're supposed to apply CC creams? I don't know, but it's how I'm doing it right now. So, Okay, just starting off, I can tell you that you need a lot of this to cover your face. Look at how fast that went. Ay caramba. Okay. That, yeah, you need a lot. So, the shade is slightly orange. I don't like that, but I honestly don't know anything about the shade range of this, so I'm not going to really speak on it. Okay, so the CC cream is on my face. Like I said, it's a little orange. It doesn't look that bad from far away, but I feel like once you get up close, you can see it. So just going on the package and what it claims. Color correcting full coverage cream. I'm going to say that's a no. Color correcting in two ways. You can still see the redness on my zits. And you can still see the discoloration under my eyes. So I would not say color correcting or full coverage. I mean, it does give you coverage. I will say that. It does give you some coverage, but I would not say full. I'm sure that you could build this up. However, if you're going for a CC cream, you probably don't want to feel that heavy on the face, which is why you're going for a CC cream rather than a foundation. So if you need to add hundreds of layers of this just to get the coverage you want, then I feel like what is the point of a CC cream? SPF 50, you can tell that there's sunscreen in this because of the greasiness and shininess of it. And I don't know, that could be the serum and it could be the sunscreen, it could be both. But it is making me look awful greasy, which I do not like either. Now I'm trying to see if it's like settling into my lines or hanging onto any dry patches. Apparently I have a wrinkle right here on my nose that I didn't know of, so that's fantastic. Thank you, CC Cream, for showing me that line. Okay, so just off first impressions, the first time applying this, I am not a fan of this IT Cosmetics CC Cream. Like I said, it's making me look really shiny in a bad way, I feel like. Not just like a beautiful glow, but like I think it's making me look really greasy. On the face it doesn't feel that bad, however when you like touch your face it feels gross. Like it feels like I have the greasiest foundation that you can find on my face. It feels really gross. And once again, if you're going for a CC cream, it's probably because you don't want that foundation feeling. And when you touch this, like that is exactly what it feels like. So I have no idea. I don't know, you guys. Okay, so yeah, for me, unfortunately, this is a no. And me personally, I mean, this is just obviously my opinions, but I've never been a fan of BB or CC creams because they always make my face feel like this. Like, I feel like they're doing my face more harm than good, just with the way that greasy feeling, and I don't get coverage. They usually actually make me break out more than anything. So yeah, for me, this is a no. Unfortunately, it's IT Cosmetics. I love mostly everything else of yours besides this so far. The next product was the product of my choosing this month, and it is this Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. So I don't have a serum in my skincare routine, and I've been looking for one, so when I saw this as a choice, I felt like it was perfect because I was wanting something with collagen in it anyways. So like I said, collagen and a serum as a choice, it's perfect. And look at this size. This is a really, really good size, and I'm impressed with it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little pump. It says apply onto clean face and neck. I'm trying to get the littlest, tiniest amount because I don't want to use more than I have to because I want to save this for my face. Ooh. Okay, so I did a little pump on my hand. Oh my gosh. And that like melted into my skin. And it left it feeling so good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on my face. I know that sounds really weird, but I really can't. The smell of it. Doesn't have a smell. Never mind. But this is GMO-free, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free. There are no, oh my gosh, this list, you guys. No parabens, no phthalates, no formaldehyde, no petroleum, no sulfates, no mineral oils, no artificial colors, and no artificial fragrances. All organic. What? This? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try this on my face later tonight. Ooh. The fourth product I have is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I'm not going to try this on today. I know I said I normally try products on, and I've done 2 so far, but I have so many mascaras that I really don't want to open this and get the air into it, and you know, that'll make it start going bad. So I don't want to do that quite yet until it's needed. But I've tried a few Tarte mascaras and I love them. I actually have not tried this, so I can't wait, and I love the packaging of this. Oh, this is so cute. And the last product is this Georgette Kingeler Volcanic Mineral Scrub. Now, I have to be honest with you, I am really nervous to try this, and I honestly don't think I will try this. I have an allergy to sulfa and sulfur, which is often found in things that smoke and with flames, probably in volcanoes. This has volcanic ash in it. Of course, this doesn't say what the volcanic ash ingredients are. It literally on the back here just says volcanic sand. So I am worried that I am going to break out in hives if I use this. So I'm probably not going to. But if it didn't have the volcanic ash in it, the rest of the ingredients are really good. It has passion flower extract, witch hazel, green tea, jasmine, aloe, and argan oil. So, I mean, that's a really good ingredient list. That's literally the only things on the ingredient list. And it's also paraben-free and dye-free. As I said, I'm not going to use this on my face because I'm afraid it is going to break me out. I just want to open it and see what it looks like. Like, nothing will happen if I just smell it, but... Oh, that's not what I was expecting at all. So it's clear with little bits of what looks like ash and sanded. I was expecting like a gray or a black gritty feeling, you know? I didn't feel it, but I mean, it looks a lot different than I expected it to look. So those are the products in my IPSY bag this month. Unfortunately, this one is a no-go for me, but this from Item Beauty and this Derma Serum, these are absolute keepers. Of course, I haven't tried this on my face, but just going based off the way that it was on my skin, on my hand, like, this is going to be an incredible step in my skincare routine. And honestly, this is the best brow product I've ever tried, going on with such ease. Like, that was so incredibly easy. Alright, my friends, thank you for joining me on my IPSY unbagging. Come back soon for some more videos, and I'll see you guys then.